To be perfectly candid, I was happy because I now know that I am employed and I have a job security now after basically 4 years.
I was extremely happy to see a double-digit rank. That was the very first feeling that I got, that thank God it is a double-digit rank. But still, I didn't want to tell my parents because I wanted to make sure that it is actually my result only.
Me in reading new concepts about geography, especially the part of geographical thought. I always felt like I was reading a storybook. I was learning new things.
So Rafale provides not fully stealth capabilities, but somewhat stealth capabilities.
Since it's my third attempt, I think it's a natural reaction that the first should be that feeling of relief that we are out of the preparation phase and getting into, ultimately making it in the list. So I was quite relieved.